Happily married couples, watch this, understand the power of words. Oh, you didn't get that? They understand the power of words. What words drip from your lips? Do you know you can destroy your marriage with your tongue? Or you can enhance and strengthen your marriage with your tongue. In other words, you can make a heaven of hell or a hell of heaven with your words. Friends, after 27 years doing this, helping couples across the world, I have found no habit, no practice more calculated to destroy relationships than the reckless speech, the unbridled tongue, the ill-advised words. The day we got married, my wife and I, we made a commitment to each other that by God's grace, as long as we live, we will never, under no circumstance, at no time at all, and by no means, we will ever utter a negative word to each other, not even in the form of a joke. So help me God. Amen. Listen now, friend. 17 years now after. And guess what? Every time we look at each other, sparks begin to fly. Amen. Watch it. 17 years after, and we're still dating each other. I tell folk that our relationship now is sweeter than when we're dating. Amen. Why? Because we become scared of negative words. But instead, we celebrate one another. Amen. We celebrate one another. Isn't that right? And because of that, we're always looking forward to just to be with each other. Recently, one morning, after I dropped the kids at school, my wife left. It was 10 o'clock. My sweetheart called me and said, "Sweetheart, where are you?" I said, "I'm on the road coming back from the kids, dropping the kids." He says, "I'm here by this little restaurant. Can we have a little date?" I said, "That sounds groovy to me." Amen. In other words, you're always dating. Why? Because you learn to control the tongue. But Pastor, where is wind? Words wind? Like hurricane, they destroy if you're not careful. But when you use words to celebrate each other, what a beautiful home that will be.